Welcome to Learn German Day by Day.
Before we start learning German, it is very important to have general ideas about how German differs from other languages, and what the most essential characteristics the German language has. Noun gender.
All German nouns has been assigned a gender. Even words for objects without any male or female characteristics like a chair, a cup, or even coffee can be male, female or neuter. There are 3 genders:
Maskulin,
male,
feminin,
female,
neutrum,
neuter.
Articles. All nouns have been assigned gender and an article.
We use
der, die, das.
to denote the gender of the noun.
As we see in the example here, even tableware has a different gender. Spoon is male. Fork is female. Knife is neuter.
We use
Der Löffel, die Gabel, das Messer,
Nouns in capital letters. We always capitalize German nouns. In German, all words that name people, things, and places, etc., are always in capital letters. Noun case. In general, the case of each noun in a sentence indicates what role it is playing and also shows how they are interacting with the other nouns.
There are basically 4 different cases in German:
Nominativ, Akkusativ, Dativ, Genitiv.
These are equivalent to subject, direct object, indirect object, and possessive in English. In English, the noun case is indicated by word order. If we change the word order, the meaning is changed as well. However, German is different. The word order is not important for recognizing noun cases. Many words change their form or add different endings according to the function of the noun they referred to in a sentence. For example, in the sentence,
Der Mann gibt der Frau das Buch des Lehrers.
the man gives the woman the book of the teacher. First of all, we need to know what gender the noun is. The man is male. The woman is female. The book is neuter. The teacher is male. And then we have to know what case which noun is. The man is the subject. The woman is the indirect object. The book is the direct object. Of the teacher is possessive. In this table, we can see the articles change according to the noun gender. Is the noun male, female or neuter? And the noun case, is the noun plays a role as subject, direct object, indirect object, or possessive? In this sentence, the man is male and as subject. The woman is female and as an indirect object. The book is neuter and as a direct object. The teacher is male and is possessive. Word order. As said before, word order is not very important for German sentences. And we can mix the position of the subject, object, etc. all around without changing the meaning of the sentence. Here is an example again. Even though the position of the subject, direct object, and indirect object are mixing all around, the meaning of these three sentences is the same. Verb comes second. Even though we can mix the word order around, we must keep in mind, verb comes second. It means we need to make sure the verb is in the second position in the sentence. Declension. The declension in the German language describes the ending or form change of nouns, adjectives, articles, pronouns, and numerals. With declensions, we know who is doing what to whom. Declensions are depending on the number of nouns. Is the noun singular or plural? Noun gender. Is the noun a male, female, or neuter? Noun case. Is the noun a subject, a direct object, an indirect object, or possessive? And in the case of personal pronoun, is it the first, second, or third person? Conjugation. And the form change of verb, we call conjugation. Conjugation simply means changing the form of verbs to tell us who is doing the action and when. The same as in English, the verb will change according to the subject person and the tense. Who is doing the action? Is the subject person singular or plural? Is it the first person, second person, or third person? Similar to English. I go to school. He goes to school. The verb changes according to the subject person. Also, it is important to know when the action is happening. Is it present, past, or perfect tense? Similar to English. I go to school every day. I went to school yesterday. The verb changes also according to the tenses in German. Today, I just want to give you important ideas about the German language. We have a basic idea of noun gender, articles, capitalized nouns, noun cases, the position of a verb, word order, declension, and conjugation. Of course, it is not easy for beginners. However, just keep them in mind, these will help you a lot when you deepen your German learning. For these topics, we will discuss this in individual videos.
Subscribe to my channel, like the video, and activate the bell so you don't miss a new video. Do you have a question? Write to me with a comment.